Okay, so the purpose of my program is to take an input from a user in the form of a letter and return every single country that starts with that letter. For example, if I press in Z, my program should return every single country that starts with Z. My program works by using lists. In this section right here, after we receive our input and set our list, our variable mylist, to a list, we are going to iterate through this entire given list right here called my database, which is a list of countries. As we iterate through, if the first letter of every single item / country matches the input that was given, it'll then be added to our list called my list. If the length of the list is 0, that means there are no countries that start with that letter, such as the letter X. If there are, if the length of the list is more than 0, we're going to return every single item in that list by iterating through it using a for loop. If the input was invalid, meaning it was like a number or a special character, it's just going to say, sorry, invalid input. If I wasn't able to use lists, meaning I was not able to create my own list, which is the mylist variable, one way you could do this is by, instead of having an add item to my list block right here, I would use a say block. So every time I'm iterating through this list right here, if the letter 1 of the item, meaning the country, matches the letter that was provided, I would then say that country. So for this example, we're just going to iterate through everything until 242 and 243. These items start with the letter Z. So then I would say Zambia, Zimbabwe. And yeah, that's how my program works.